So that is our structure point, guys. Okay, so as long as it's above the 153.16, we're not even looking at taking a short. It's right there. So we are only 50 pips away, so there is no, this is going to be our short point, and it is also going to be our stop. I'm not going to give it too much room because it's a structure point. We use the structure points to create low risk trades, so I have a small stop on it and I can take it to the upside. So that's going to be a high probability low risk trade. And as far as buying it, technically I can buy it right here, but to be on the safe side, I'll buy it above the 154.09. So our buy signal is going to be above 154.09. That's going to be our buy. And if I buy it above the 154.09, my stop is going to be below the previous momentum high, which is the 153. 73 or 71. This one momentum higher, I'll show it to you in a second. And my short point is the structural point, which is 153.11. And if I go short below 153.11, it is also going to be my stop. My structural short right now is also my short point, and let's see what the structural long is. The next structure point, guys, we have to keep an eye on this. I want to point this out. This, guys, is going to be a powerful point over here, the 154.30. So we are buying it above. This is what I did, the 154.30. We're buying it at 154, but I'm going to put the structure, I'm going to change the structure, because this is going to be, that is going to be extremely powerful if it gets above the 154.30. So the structure long in this case now is the 154.30, guys. If it gets above the 154.30, this thing should fly. Should fly above the 154.30. This thing should fly. So I'm going to put the 154.30 here, because you guys, everybody in the room, mark down the 154.30, because if it gets above your buy signal and it gets there, it's going to be a big strong buy signal. Okay, that is the let me wrap up the pound dollar. We're buying above the 154.09. The structure point is the 154.30, and it's going to be a powerful explosive move if it gets above the 154.30. If we take it long, we're going to put our stop below 153.70, so we're risking about 29 pips on that trade. The short entry is the 153.11, which is also our structure short point, and if we do, we're going to use it also as our stop, because it's a structure point. I'm not going to give it any breathing room to get above. Now when I say it's exactly like that, I mean just be reasonable and put it 10 pips or 15 pips, but I just do it precise because it's a structural point. Okay, that is the pound Swiss.